Yes, people. So big up all of the viewers them, all of the subscribers them. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Yes, man. So I went to the Buju Banton concert, and I gotta say, very great concert. I enjoyed myself. Not only that, people, but the message in the music was a big thing. I mean, we all know Buju Banton songs, right? I mean, he's been in the music industry now for over 30 years. So he has a wide variety of music, a huge catalog of music. So, a lot of people was just waiting for Buju to walk out on stage because them ready, because the concert start from about 8 o'clock. And Buju never walk out on stage till about after 9 them time. So, yeah, you see when the man walk out and do two rock people, you don't see people start screaming, Yes, man. Be a screaming, man. And may I tell you, it was really good to see Buju out there after how many years, you know what I mean? It was really good to see him perform him greatest hits after hits after hits, Buju have so many songs, man. May I tell you, man, him perform the old songs, him perform the new song them. Him perform so many songs, man. The only thing is he could have get more time. I think him perform for about probably 2 hours or that amount of time. And while he was performing, he didn't have anybody else performing really. It was just him on stage for the 2 minutes that he performed. And and like me say, the music, very good music. I mean, we all know Buju songs them very positive. Well, the Rasta song them, the reggae song them, very positive music, right? And music to touch your heart, your mind, and your soul and your body. When you go them place there, you just don't say it's a positive message that he must send to the people them. You know what I mean? And to keep it real, to see him perform at Tampa is a big thing. I mean, him call him tour the Overcomer Tour. This perfect name for the tour because keep in mind, say Buju did get locked up for about 7 years at Tampa. Yeah, him get locked up in a federal court, and did 7 years. And I think at 2018 Buju actually get released. So it just the other day actually, you know what I mean. So to see him come and perform like that, in that manner where him did get locked up before in the same place, yeah, man, it's definitely a perfect name for the tour, Overcomer Tour, and yeah, gotta say, enjoyed myself to the fullest, and really wish that me can get the opportunity to see Buju perform again, you know what I mean. But wanna think, did you guys get a chance to see Buju perform? I mean, from the looks of things on the screen, so yes, you say, the place did kind of full up, you know what I mean. So like me say, the man perform, him do good music, positive vibration, and me can only wish him the best. And big up to Buju and him team management, Gargamel, definitely show us why him in the business long time. Definitely a living legend in my opinion. So I'm gonna make you go and check out some of the music, but remember to subscribe and like the video. Alright? Big up on yourself to all the subscribers. The riches wise in their own conceit. This reggae music.